Welcome to class 7 mathematics. Today I am going to discuss try these questions of page number 170, chapter 8, comparing quantities. That is questions related to simple interest. Our first question, rupees 10,000 is invested at 5% interest rate per annum. Find the interest at the end of 1 year. How to answer this question? First of all, what is given in the question, we have to write. Rupees 10,000 is invested means our principal is rupees 10,000. 5% interest rate means rate of interest are equal to 5% per annum. Find the interest at the end of 1 year. So time period equal to 1 year and I equal to simple interest I equal to question mark that we have to find. So first we can write all these things. And do you remember the formula of simple interest? Yes, simple interest equal to PRT upon 100. Substitute the value over here. Here the numerator and the denominator 100 can be cancelled. We get the numerator as 100 into 5 into 1 equal to rupees 500. That is the simple interest at the end of 1 year is rupees 500. Now we move to second question. Rupees 3,500 is given at a 7% per annum rate of interest. Find the interest which will be received at the end of 2 years. As usual, what is given in the question, we can write. Rupees 3,500 is given means the principal is rupees 3,500. 7%. Always rate of interest is given in percentage. Hence R equal to 7% per annum. Find the interest will be received at the end of 2 years. Means time is 2 year. Interest we have to find. So put a question mark. And you have the formula simple interest I equal to PRT upon 100. Substitute the value over here. So we get 3,500 into 7 into 2 whole divided by 100. Cancelling 100 from the numerator and denominator, we get the numerator as 35 into 7 into 2. Denominator is 1, so we are not writing. While multiplying this, we get 490. Hence, the simple interest received at the end of 2 year is rupees 490. Now we move to the third. Next question number 3. Rupees 6,050 is borrowed at 6.5% rate of interest per annum. Find the interest and the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years. Children, as usual, what is given in the question, we have to write first. Here, rupees 6,050 is borrowed. That means our principal is rupees 6,050. Rate of interest 6.5% per annum. That means R equal to 6.5% per annum. It is given, rate of interest is given in decimal. So to make the calculation easy, we have to convert it into fractional form. That is, we can write it as 65 upon 10. Next, the amount and interest we have to find. Find the interest and the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years. That means time T equal to 3 years. Simple interest I and amount A we have to find out. So these things first of all we have to write. Now do you remember the formula of simple interest? Yes. simple interest SI equal to PRT upon 100. Now you have to substitute the values over here. So we get 6050 into 65 upon 10 into 3 whole divided by 100. Cancelling 10 in the numerator and denominator, we get 605 into 65 into 3 whole divided by 100. While multiplying the numerator, we get 1,17,975 whole divided by 100. Children, you know division by 0 means removing 2 digits from the right side and put the decimal point. So we get rupees 1179.75. So the simple interest paid at the end of 3 years is rupees 1179.75. Now we have to find the amount. The formula to find amount is principal plus interest. Our principal is rupees 6050 plus the interest we got right now is rupees 1179.75. While adding this we got rupees 7229.75. Thus, the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years will be rupees 7229.75. Next question, question number 4. Rupees 7,000 is borrowed at 3.5% rate of interest per annum, borrowed for 2 years. Find the amount to be paid at the end of second year. Children, how to solve this sum? Yes, first of all, what is given in the question, from that information we have to copy down. Here rupees 7,000 is borrowed means our principal is rupees 7,000. 3.5% rate means R equal to 3.5%. The rate is given in decimal, so we can convert it into fraction. So we can write it as 35 upon 10%. Borrowed for 2 years, that means time period is 2 years. Find the amount to be paid at the end of second year. So we have to find A equal to question mark. To get A, first of all we have to find simple interest I. So first of all we can find the simple interest. Can you tell the formula of simple interest? Yes. Simple interest is PRT upon 100. Now what we have to do? Yes, we can substitute the value over here. So we get 7,000 into 35 upon 10 into 2 whole divided by 100. Cancelling 1000 from numerator and denominator, then we get the numerator as 7 into 35 into 2 and denominator as 1, so we are not writing. While multiplying this, we get 490 rupees. Hence, the simple interest to be paid after 2 years will be rupees 490. Our question is find the amount to be paid at the end of second year. So, we have to find the amount. Amount equal to principal plus interest. So, what is our principal here? Yes, it is rupees 7,000 plus the simple interest we got right now is rupees 490. While adding we get rupees 7,490. Thus, the amount to be paid at the end of 2 years will be rupees 7,490. Thank you.